In this video, I'm going to show what is OSI model. OSI model, or Open Systems Interconnection Reference Model, is developed by International Standards Organization, or ISO, to define the basic standards for network communication. It is a set of rules all computers has to use to communication. Before we begin to get into the OSI model, let's first look at what is protocol. Protocol is a standard set of rules that defines how systems will communication across networks. The OSI model is the key to understand the network. OSI model has 7 layers. From the bottom to up, the first layer is a physical layer. The second layer is data link layer. The third layer is network layer. The fourth layer is transport layer. The fifth layer is session layer. The sixth layer is presentation layer. And the seventh layer is application layer. Let's look at the function of each layer from the top to the bottom. An application layer works close to the user and provide file transmissions, message exchange, terminal sessions. This layer processes and properly formats the data and passes the data down to the next layer within the OSI model. Some examples protocol works at layer are Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP), Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP), File Transfer Protocol (FTP), and Telnet. Layer 6, Presentation Layer. Presentation layer receives information from the application layer and puts it into the format that all computers following the OSI model can understand. This layer also handles data compression and encryption. The protocol works in this layer are American Standard Code for Information Exchange, ASCII, Text Image File Format, TIFF, Joint Photographic Export Group, JPEG, Motion Picture Export Group, MPEG. Layer 5, Session Layer. Session layer set up connection between applications and maintains and tears down the communication. Some protocols that works at this layer including Network File System, NFS, Remote Procedure Call, RPC, NetBIOS, SQL. Layer 4, Transport Layer. Transport layer provides a reliable and sequence package delivery and error recovery and flow control. The main protocol are Transmission Control Protocol (TCP), User Datagram Protocol (UDP), Secure Circuit Layer (SSL), Sequence Package Exchange (SPX). Layer 3, Network Layer. Network layer determines how the data transfer between the network devices. It inserts information into the package header so it can be properly addressed and routed. Example of following: Internet Protocol, IP, Internet Control Message Protocol, ICMP, Routing Information Protocol, RIP. Layer 2, Data link layer. Data link layer converts message into bits and defines how a computer accesses a network. It is where the network stack knows what format the data frame must be in to transmit properly over the different network medium. Example protocol in this layer are Address Resolution Protocol, RAP, Point-to-Point Protocol, PPP, Serial Line Internet Protocol, SLIP. The first layer is a physical layer. Physical layer converts bits into voltage for transmission. This layer controls synchronization, data rating, line noise, and media access. Specification for this physical layer including the timing of voltage change, voltage levels, and the physical connectors for electronical and optical transmission. In these slides, we are assuming that computer A will send a message to computer B. User in computer A generate a data message. When he sends message to computer B, the message will go through OSI model stack. When this message passes down to each layer will add his header information. At data link layer, a trailer information will also add it to data package. This process to add header and the trailer information is what we called data encapsulation. After data package across the network cable and reach the computer B, the message will go up through each OSI model layer, and at this time each header and the trailer information will trim off in each layer. Then the original message will reach the final user application. This is an example of how data sent from one computer to another computer. Thank you. This is the end of this video.